To fix an Xfinity router blinking white after reset, it is essential to understand the causes and the step-by-step solution to the issue. The blinking white light on your Xfinity router typically indicates that the device is trying to boot up or is experiencing a problem. First, let's explore the possible causes of this issue. The blinking white light can be caused by a variety of factors, including a faulty power cycle, outdated firmware, or issues with the physical connection. To troubleshoot the problem, start by checking the power cord and ensuring it is securely connected to both the router and the power outlet. Next, try restarting your router to see if it resolves the issue. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to perform a factory reset. To do this, locate the small reset button on the back of the router. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the lights on the router start flashing. Then release the button. After the factory reset, the router will automatically restart and the blinking white light should disappear. If the issue persists, it may be due to outdated firmware. To update the firmware, open a web browser and navigate to the Xfinity router's default IP address, which is usually 10.0.0.1. Log into the router using the admin username and password. Then click on the firmware update option and follow the on-screen instructions. In some cases, the blinking white light may be caused by a problem with the physical connection. Check all cables and connections to ensure they are secure and not damaged. Try swapping out any damaged cables or replacing them if necessary. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Xfinity support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the blinking white light on your Xfinity router and get back to enjoying a stable and reliable internet connection. Remember to always check the physical connections and update the firmware regularly to prevent similar issues in the future.